Product review Sprout Black Bean Hummus.
Hi, so today what we're doing is we're going to do a product review of Sprouts Farmers Market Black Bean Hummus.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now this is a very delicious type meal. It's brand new. You can see there's still the top portion on top. So I'm going to peel this off like this, and instead of using chips, being totally vegan, I'm going to scrape off my Japanese cucumbers inside the container. Oh, it's very nice. It tastes very much like a black bean. I'm just going to poke it like this. Oh, and it's got a little kick to it. Yes, it's got a little bit of heat to it. So I would recommend this at a party. You could stick this right in the center, and then you could put your cucumbers around the edges, and it would be a very nice party flavor. Thank you very much for watching this short video on Sprouts Farmers Market Black Bean Hummus. Simply delicious.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.